Most people ignore this one warning sign until it's too late. You feel it every night in your legs, but you've been told it's just normal aging. Your doctor won't tell you this, but that cold, heavy feeling in your calves is actually your arteries screaming for help. Stop what you're doing and pay attention, because what I'm about to reveal could save your legs, and maybe even your life. The truth is, your legs are the farthest outpost of your circulatory system. They depend on a healthy network of arteries and veins to bring oxygenated blood down and pump deoxygenated blood back up to your heart. When that system starts to struggle, you feel it first in your legs. Cramps, coldness, numbness, swelling, or that heavy, tired feeling after walking a short distance. These are not normal signs of getting older. They are red flags that blockages may be forming in your peripheral arteries. This is called Peripheral Artery Disease, or PED, and it affects nearly 1 in 5 people over the age of 60. The standard medical approach is often to prescribe blood thinners or suggest surgery. But what if you could do something tonight, in the comfort of your own home, to start flushing out those leg blockages naturally? Before we dive in, let me ask you something. Where are you watching from today? Drop your city or country in the comments below. I love seeing where our community is gathering from. And as always, this content is for educational purposes only. I am not your personal physician. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, exercise, or supplement routine, especially if you have a known medical condition or are taking prescription medications. Let's get into the list. These are 5 simple, powerful things you can do tonight, starting right after dinner, to support your leg circulation and begin flushing out those stubborn blockages. Number 5. Elevation with a twist. The problem it targets is venous insufficiency and fluid pooling in the lower legs. When you sit or stand all day, gravity pulls blood and fluid down into your feet and ankles. Over time, this can cause swelling and put extra pressure on your vein valves, making it harder for blood to return to your heart. The active compound is gravity, used strategically. While elevation is a common recommendation, most people do it wrong. Simply propping your feet up on an ottoman is not enough. Here is how to use it. Lie flat on your back on your bed or on the floor. Place 2 or 3 firm pillows under your calves so your feet are elevated above the level of your heart. Yes, above your heart. That is the key. Stay in this position for 15 to 20 minutes. Do this right before you get ready for bed. And here is a pro tip. While you are elevated, gently point and flex your feet. 10 repetitions of pointing your toes away and then pulling them toward your shins. This activates your calf muscle pump and helps push stagnant venous blood back toward your chest. Number 4. Warm lemon water with a pinch of cayenne. The problem it targets is poor microcirculation in the smallest blood vessels of your legs. These tiny capillaries are responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscle tissues. When they become sluggish, you feel cold and crampy. The active compound is vitamin C from lemon, which strengthens capillary walls, and capsaicin from cayenne pepper, which is a natural vasodilator. It relaxes blood vessels and promotes better flow. Here is how to use it. Squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon into a large mug of warm, not boiling water. Add just a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. You should barely taste the heat. Stir well and sip it slowly over the course of 30 minutes. Do this after your evening meal. And here's a pro tip. Drink this at least 1 hour before you lie down for elevation. This gives the active compounds time to enter your bloodstream and start widening those tiny vessels. And if you have any acid reflux, use only 1/4 of a lemon and a smaller pinch of cayenne. Number 3. Dry brushing before your evening shower. The problem it targets is lymphatic stagnation and superficial circulation. Your lymphatic system runs alongside your blood vessels and is responsible for clearing metabolic waste from your tissues. When lymph flow slows down, your legs feel heavy and toxic buildup occurs. The active compound is mechanical stimulation. The gentle friction of dry brushing activates nerve endings, dilates superficial capillaries, and encourages lymphatic fluid to move toward your lymph nodes. Here is how to use it. Use a natural bristle brush with a long handle. Before you step into the shower, while your skin is completely dry, start at your feet. Brush upward toward your heart. Use long, sweeping strokes. Always move in one direction toward your groin area where major lymph nodes are located. Do this for 3 minutes per leg. And here's a pro tip. Never brush too hard. You want to stimulate the skin, not irritate it. A light, gentle pressure is all you need. Do this every evening, and you will notice your skin feels warmer and your legs feel lighter within just a few days. Number 2. The toe tapping exercise while seated. The problem it targets is lack of lower leg muscle activation during sedentary hours. Many of us spend our evenings sitting in front of the television. When your calf muscles are inactive, they are not doing their job of pumping blood upward. This leads to pooling and increased risk of clot formation. The active compound is rhythmic muscle contraction. Your calf muscles are often called your second heart because of their pumping action. Here is how to use it. Sit in a firm chair with your feet flat on the floor. Keeping your heels on the ground, rapidly tap your toes up and down as if you were drumming to a beat. Do this for 2 full minutes. Then rest for 30 seconds. Then repeat for another 2 minutes. Do this 3 times for a total of about 6 minutes of tapping. And here's a pro tip. Do this during your favorite television program. You can do it during the commercial breaks, or do it while you are reading or talking on the phone. The key is consistency. You should feel a gentle warmth spreading through your calves after the exercise. That is your circulation waking up. And now, number 1. The number 1 thing. A beetroot and ginger nightcap drink. This is the one that surprises everyone. The top health instructor's secret for flushing leg blockages tonight. The problem it targets is nitric oxide depletion and chronic inflammation in arterial walls. As we age, our bodies produce less nitric oxide, the key molecule that keeps blood vessels flexible and open. Without it, arteries stiffen and plaque builds up. This is the root cause of those leg blockages. The active compound is dietary nitrates from beetroot, which your body converts directly into nitric oxide, and gingerols from fresh ginger, which are powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce arterial stiffness and improve blood viscosity. Here is how to use it. Here's the recipe. You will need 1 small raw beetroot about the size of a golf ball, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, and the juice of half a lemon. Peel the beetroot and ginger. Cut them into small chunks. Place them in a blender with about 1 cup of water. Blend until completely smooth. Then, strain the mixture through a fine sieve or a nut milk bag to remove the pulp. You are left with a bright red, spicy liquid. Add the lemon juice and a tiny drizzle of raw honey if you need sweetness. Sip this slowly over 30 minutes, beginning about 1 hour before you go to bed. And here's a pro tip. Do not drink this right before lying down. You want to give it at least an hour to work through your digestive system and enter your bloodstream. Then, do your elevation exercise. The combination of the nitric oxide boost and the gravity-assisted drainage is incredibly powerful. Do this every night for 1 week and you will likely notice your legs feel warmer, your swelling decreases, and your nighttime cramps become a distant memory. Now, let's talk about the rules. These are 4 simple guidelines to maximize the effectiveness of everything I just shared. Rule number 1. Hydrate early, not late. Drink your water throughout the day, but taper off about 2 hours before bed. You want your blood to be thin and flowing easily, but you do not want to be waking up multiple times during the night to use the bathroom. Proper hydration ensures your red blood cells can glide smoothly through your capillaries. Rule number 2. Keep your feet warm at night. Cold temperatures constrict blood vessels. Wear a pair of loose, breathable cotton socks to bed. Do not wear tight compression socks to sleep unless specifically prescribed by your doctor. Loose socks keep your feet warm and allow for natural expansion. Rule number 3. Avoid heavy meals within 3 hours of bedtime. Digestion diverts blood flow toward your stomach and intestines. This takes blood away from your extremities, including your legs. A light early dinner allows your circulatory system to focus on peripheral tissues while you sleep. Rule number 4. Move every hour during the day. Even if it is just a 2-minute walk around your living room, standing up and walking resets your calf muscle pump. Set a timer on your phone. Every 60 minutes, stand, walk, and sit back down. This one habit is the foundation of all leg circulation health. So, let's bring this all together. Those cold feet, those achy calves, that heaviness at the end of the day, it is not just aging, it is a cry for better circulation. And tonight, you have the power to answer that cry. Start with that beetroot and ginger drink. Follow it with gentle elevation. Add the dry brushing and the toe tapping. And stick to those 4 rules. You are not just managing symptoms. You are actively flushing out blockages and giving your legs the blood flow they desperately need. Now, I want to hear from you. What is the first thing you would love to feel in your legs again? Is it warmth, lightness, the ability to walk further without pain? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one, and if you know someone over 60 who struggles with leg pain or swelling, please share this video with them. They might not realize they can do something about it tonight. Hit that like button if this information was valuable to you, and subscribe to this channel so you never miss another natural remedy for healthy aging. Take care of your legs. They carry you through life. Until next time, stay warm, stay active, and stay hopeful.